Today's section we are going to talk about solving proportions. Last time we were just checking if ratios were proportional, but we're going to have two ratios here and we're just going to solve them. We'll have an unknown. And this will be how they're set up. It might be 3 over 7 equals, let's say 9 over x. All right. There's always going to be an unknown, a variable in here. There's always going to be an unknown on those. So what we will do is cross multiply. Multiply to solve. And we even cross multiplied to check if proportions were equal, but we're going to cross multiply to solve. So, same process. 3 times x equals 7 times 9. Well, 3 times x is just 3x. 7 times 9 is 63. So here's our simple algebra equation. 3 times a number equals 63. To solve for x, this is all we're doing, solving for x. Divide both sides by 3. All right. So then x equals 63 divided by 3. When I divide this by 3, and the 3's cancel and you have an x. Well, 63 divided by 3, if you need a calculator to do that, you can, that's fine. 63 divided by 3, though, equals 21. So on this bottom, you will have x equals 21. All right, cross multiplying works every time. There's other ways of solving for this, like I could have just done 3 times 3 is 9. If I multiply the top by 3, multiply the bottom by 3, 7 times 3 would be 21 also. Sometimes that can be messy, but cross multiplying always works. If we had this one, 3/5 equals x over 42. Well, in this case, I don't have anything that I can multiply, a whole number at least, that I can multiply to 5 to get 42. So again, cross multiply. 3 times 42 would be 126 equals 5x. 3 times 42 is 126. 5 times x is 5x. Simple algebra equation now. Got to solve for x, so divide both sides by 5. X equals 126. 126 divided by 5. If we need a calculator for that, go ahead and use it. You end up with 25.2. Equals x. So again, cross multiply to solve. Cross multiply to solve is the best way. It works every time on solving these proportions. Let me do, I'll do one more example. Let's do x over 7 equals 8 over 9, yes, 10. Let's do x over 7 equals 8 over 10. Again, cross multiply. X times 10 equals 7 times 8. So you have 10x equals 7 times 8 is 56. We did a cross multiplying. To solve for x, just divide by 10. So x equals 56 divided by 10. Well, and that just ends up being 5.6. So solving proportions, simplest method, and it works every time, is to cross multiply.